I am the avatar for Brian Mosby. Brian is currently meeting with clients closing deals, so I'm here to give the latest and greatest news on copper. As usual, this is not financial advice and should not be relied upon for financial decisions. This is the Sybertrader Copper Minute. Copper's having a wild ride this week, folks, with prices swinging like a pendulum as the market wrestles with conflicting signals. We've seen copper hit fresh highs earlier this month, thanks to that US-China trade deal momentum and some serious supply shocks, including a mudslide in Indonesia that knocked out over 3% of global supply, and weaker output from mining giants Glencore and Anglo American. But here's the kicker. Chile's state miner Codelco threw some cold water on the supply panic by expressing optimism about their production outlook, which sent copper tumbling roughly 2.4% on the London Metal Exchange to around 501 per pound. The Federal Reserve's playing hard to get on those December rate cuts, and that uncertainty is strengthening the dollar and putting downward pressure on copper, while China's floating the idea of curbing copper refining capacity, which could actually support prices if they pull the trigger. Despite these short-term jitters, copper's still crushing it with over 20% gains in 2025, riding the wave of electrification and renewable energy demand that's not going anywhere. We saw futures briefly pop above 510 per pound before cautious investors pulled back amid political funding concerns and mixed economic signals. The big picture remains bullish, with the U.S. adding copper to its strategic critical minerals list, recognizing just how crucial this red metal is for national security and economic stability. Plus, we're seeing exciting mining expansion projects firing up in Botswana, the U.S., and Pakistan. Bottom line, supply disruptions are keeping a floor under prices, but production stabilization and demand uncertainties are creating this tug-of-war market that's keeping traders on their toes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news in copper.